So you got your new iPhone 8 Plus, right? Beautiful glass on glass device, right? Very premium, just beautiful. I mean, look how beautiful that iPhone is, right? But you don't want to put a glass screen protector on it. And I do highly recommend a glass screen protector. But you got choices, right? You could put a hard case on it. You could put a stylish case on it, right? Or you could put a covered case on it. Which one of these cases would give you full protection if you don't want to put a glass screen protector on it? So let's go and do a drop test using A, B, and C and see which one is going to give you full protection. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So today I'm going to do an iPhone 8 drop test, right? And I'm going to use these three cases. One is hard plastic, right? A lot of people like to use hard plastic. I do use hard plastic on my phones. Or you can get a stylish type case, right? And it has some texture in the inside to protect the back. Or you can get a full covered case that could protect the glass along with the back, right? Before we start this video, let me give you a disclaimer. A lot of people go put in the comments, why are you doing drop tests on $1,000 phones and stuff like this? Some of the videos that y'all guys see with drop tests and stuff like that, these are sponsored videos, right? And this iPhone was sent to me for review and I'm going to destroy it. So let's go to the park and see which one could give you that full protection. Let's go. All right, so I'm out here at the park and I got the iPhone 8 Plus. I got three cases here. I got the shielding case, kind of full protection type case. Also, I have a speaking case, kind of have some texture in the inside to kind of give you some full protection. And also I got a hard plastic, kind of $2 or $3 case that you can get from Amazon, right? So the first test I'm going to do is with the shielding case, the full protection case. And again, iPhone 8 Plus don't have a screen protector on it. So we're going to pop it on in and we're just going to drop it and see if it survives the drop test here. I'm out here at the park, so let's go on and drop it just kind of normally, and we're going to see if it cracks the back or cracks the front. Just kind of let it fall. There it is, right? And so just kind of drop it normally. All right, so the front of the device is good. Let's take it out. We got a crack. So we already got a crack on the device using a full case here. Whew. Nice little spider web crack. Let me let you see. Right down there, spider web crack. First drop. So there it is. Just kind of casually dropping it. And I got a crack. So the shielding case don't even matter. Let's go to the next case and let's go to get the cheapy case. Put it here. All right, so we already got our first crack and we got the little $2, $3 case here. And let me see if it's gonna protect it. All right, so, ooh. All right, so let's pull this off, and wow, oh, oops, almost dropped it again. So, the second test with a little cheapy case, shattered the whole back. Look at that. The whole back is shattered. Look at that. So we definitely got a crack, definitely here. Well, let's go ahead and continue on here, right? Let's go ahead and use the speaking case. All right, speaking, but the front glass is not broken, but the back glass is broken. All right, so let's go ahead on and just drop it and see if it cracks the front. Woo. Alright. So the speaking case All right, whew, yeah, so again, the whole back is shattered, but the front is not shattered. All right, so there it is. Let's see if we can shatter the front glass. So we already know that if you drop the iPhone in either case, it's gonna crack the back. All right, and the case got some damage, by the way. All right. Whew. There it is, really bad. All right, so let's see if we can crack the front of the device. Ooh, woo. Yeah. There it is. So dropping it on the front does not crack the glass. All right, so the case held up in the front. All right, let's go on the grab our second case. Woo! Little cheap $3-4 case that you can get from Amazon. It got a lip on it, so it can protect it, and about shoulder high, and there we go. Jeez. This drop test just shattered the front glass, and let me show you. There it is, right? Even with a lip on it, asphalt, don't matter, shattered. There it is. Wow. All right. So at this point, don't even matter. If you drop your phone and you don't have a glass screen protector on it, not only will you crack the back, you will definitely crack the front. So just be advised that the iPhone 8 Plus or any device that you may have will crack with a case, without a case, if you drop it kind of shoulder length or asphalt, concrete. It is what it is, right? I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm about to go cry looking at this phone all cracked up. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the drop test and all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.